What's going on, guys? It's your boy KyleForAwhile here. And guys, we're not going to do a fishing video today. We're going to do a video on the easiest way to throw a cast net. Because once you learn it, it's the easiest thing ever, guys. It's not that hard, and it'll make catching bait a whole lot easier. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to need is a cast net. Alright guys, part one. Your cast net rope is going to look like this right here. It's going to have a classic just circle, just like this. What you want to do is you want to take this part of the rope, put it in the middle of that loop, and pull it through. So what you're going to get is another loop, but it's going to cinch whenever you throw it. So that way, whenever you throw it, it's not going to come off like it would if you didn't do this, because it has no cinch knot. So what this allows you to do is to throw it, and whenever the cast net goes out, it's going to pull tight on that knot. So make sure you do that first. That is part one. Alright guys, part two is you're going to get your lead line. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold it about, I would say, 3 feet apart. And you're just going to grab it just like this. You don't have to be accurate on the, because like usually on the very last one that you do this, it's not going to be exactly 3 feet. So you just want to make sure you get all of it in loops so it's like that in your hand, and you should be good. That's part two. Alright guys, part three is just going to be to free your cast net. So pull your cast net up on the lead lines. And what you want to do is you still have this rope in your hand. You still have this rope in your hand. You want to grab the cast net with your least dominant hand about midway. You can be a little bit above midway. You know, as long as you're about midway, you should be good. So grab it about halfway, just like that. Then what you want to do is come up with your right hand, your dominant hand, grab that half of the net with your dominant hand that you grabbed with your least dominant. And then you want to come down here. Let me aim the GoPro down. You want to come down here and you want to grab these weights and make sure your weight line is not tangled up. You see right there how it's tangled up? You do not want that to be on there whenever you throw it, otherwise it's going to mess your pancake up. So make sure your weights are free, and that is part four. So let's go ahead and untangle these. Usually what you can do is you can shake it. You can shake it like that and they'll normally come out. Sometimes they're a little bit harder than other times, but like, all right, right there, I got it out. So that is part four, guys, is just freeing your weights. And after that, you're about ready to throw it. So like I said, you grab the cast net halfway with your least dominant hand, and then you grab it with your dominant hand after you've split it. So it should look something like this, guys. Just like that. Alright, on to part five. Alright guys, for part five, one of the most important parts that you want to get down when throwing a cast net is you want to make sure you're spinning it whenever you throw it. So if you just get it and throw it, it's not going to open up as good as if you were to come back and then spin it. That spin on the end of your cast net throw is what is really going to open up your net and give you a lot better spread area. And I'm telling you right now, you'll be surprised how much better your throws will look if you just incorporate that little spin on your throws. So what we're going to do is we're going to do all the steps I just told you, and we're going to show you a live example of how to spin it. And I'm telling you, if your weights aren't tangled up, 9 times out of 10 you're going to get a perfect cast. And it takes, once you get the hang of this, it probably takes you 10 seconds to get it all set, all ready and all that. So let's try it. Alright guys, let's get into it. So I'm just repeating the steps that I mentioned already, guys. Alright, so grab it with your least dominant hand. Then grab it with your dominant hand. Make sure your weights aren't free. Put the weight in your mouth. That right there was a perfect circle, guys. Perfect. But just from that one throw, I mean, perfect circle, guys. I'm telling you, it's almost a perfect circle every single time. as long as you don't have your weights tangled up. So hope you guys enjoyed that, quick, simple video. I know it wasn't long. I know it's not a video of me catching any fish or stuff like that, but I do feel like it's a necessity, guys. You have to be able to know how to throw a cast net if you want to be good at fishing, in my opinion, unless you're using artificials, 24/7. But make sure you know how to throw a cast net, and it'll help you a lot, save you a lot of money, and I promise you'll have better luck on your fishing trips. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this helped you out in any way, guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Go check out my other videos. I have a ton of videos of me catching all types of fish, guys. Epic videos. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Tight lines, guys.